Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Today I'm here with a papercraft Christmas decor. I'm going to show you how to make Santa's clothesline, and one more thing we are doing, I'll show you how to make a snowman face on these paper lanterns. The same decor I have done for a restaurant before 5 years, that is what you see as a thumbnail. So today I'm just recreating it for my Little Bench viewers. All the templates are given in the description box. You can download it and cut it out. You don't need thick cardstock paper to do this. The normal chart paper will do. You need red color as well as white color. I already assembled this yesterday, so just have a look at how I did it. This is the template for the white paper. You have to cut out each piece from this. Use the line as a guidance and cut it in the way you want. Just wave your hand while cutting so that you get a natural curve on the paper. In the same way, you have to cut out the red paper also. Now let's assemble it together. Attach the white pieces onto the red jacket, hat, mittens and pants. Cut 2 thin black strips and attach it to the pants. I'm trying to create a suspender and belt. This is completely optional. According to your discretion, you can do anything or you can just omit this step. Hope you understood how to assemble the dress. Now I'll show you how to attach it to this jute string. Just keep the string like this. Now attach one by one to this with a clothespin. This is how it looks when we hang it on the wall. Now I will show you how to make these snowman paper lanterns. So the next things, we are going to give a snowman face to this lantern. For that, I've cut a snowman hat. All these templates are given in the description box. You can cut it out. This strip will come here, a carrot nose, and then these two eyes. This is mouth. So now let us fix it. If you just fix like this, the hat will go down. So what you can do is take some ice cream sticks or skewer and just stick it like this towards the back side of the hat. So it will stay like this. So from the bottom, I am keeping it this way. Apply glue on the stick and then you keep it like this. Since the surface of the lantern is curved, there is tendency to come out, so you have to hold it for some time. Okay, now it's okay. Just two black circles. The carrot nose on an orange color. Just cut a crescent shape on a red paper for the mouth. For this lantern, we are going to give a Santa hat instead of the snowman hat. Everything else is the same. For this Santa hat also, I am attaching 2 ice cream sticks to make it stand erect. So this is the final look. Hope you like it. See you next week with another easy DIY session. Little Benz is signing off for the day.